Welcome back to Hoochos. Today on Hoochos, I'm going to be unboxing, par testing, and reviewing this. This is the Mogobe MB Octopus 300. Have a go at it. Oh, that is a nice light. Unbelievable. Let's get to unboxing. Discreet packaging. All right, it's just a note about the hangers. So an installation video. Look at that. I've been so excited to get this light. And look at that packaging. Yeah, it's really well packaged. I cannot see a problem with this turning up damage. All right, so we've got a daisy chain cord, hangers, zip ties, and two decent quality ratchet straps. We've also got the light, and look at that light. Oh, it's really, really heavy. That's the heaviest grow light I've ever received. And have a look at that. Oh wow, straight away, just slides out. Oh, it's so smooth too. I was actually expecting these to be super hard to deal with, but that is nice. Look at that. Oh, the nerd in me. Now that is a grow light. Even the electronics covers are made of anodized aluminium. And we'll flip it over. Oh, it's a work of art. Look at that. All of the electrical components are attached to the anodized aluminium heatsink with really premium components. This is a lovely light. All right, so Meemaw driver. What else? I'm sorry, this is really nice. All right, let's discuss the light itself. The light has 1056 LED star diodes spaced out over 5 individual PCBs, which are laid over aluminium heat sinks. The LEDs are 5000K, 3000K, and 660 nanometer far red, which makes this a full spectrum grow light. Here is a copy of the Integrating Sphere report. The LEDs are all powered by a 300 watt Meemaw driver, and the light itself is a 300 watt grow light. The light is dimmable and it's daisy chainable up to 20 lights. The build quality is extremely premium. All of the components that cover the boards and also connect the wires up to the boards are all metal or alloy, and the tolerances in the build of the light itself are just phenomenal. This is one of the nicest lights I've ever been sent, and I can see that a lot of pride has been taken in the manufacture and design of this light. The design itself is brilliant. So the light has these extendable L plates which come out from the light and lock into place with a hand turning grub screw, and this allows the footprint of the light to extend to the corners of whatever grow area you've got it in. One of the benefits of this, in fact, one of the benefits of LED lights in general is multi-point lighting, and this light takes multi-point lighting to the next level. Now, let me just explain multi-point lighting. If you have the leaf of a plant and you have a single point of light, that leaf is going to cast a shadow. And the shadow it casts on the leaves below it reduces the canopy penetration. However, if you have a multi-point light source, which is the case with most quantum board LED diodes, except this one more so, if you have a leaf and the light's shining on it, a multi-point light source will actually get around the leaf through the angles of the multiple points of light and allow the leaf above it to also be lit up. As you can see, my top hand is still being lit up, even though it's behind my bottom hand because of the multiple light sources. So this design gives really good canopy penetration. Hanging of this light is achieved by clipping the included hangers right to the back of the middle section, and you can extend the arms by screwing the grub screw on the back, pulling out or pushing in the arms. This gives you a more condensed footprint if you wanted to use multiple of them in one room, or you just wanted a more consolidated flower footprint, or it gives you a wider footprint if you wanted to veg, or you can even flower if you had this lower above the canopy. So the footprint recommended by Mogobe is 3x3. So let's test its efficacy under a power sensor. Just want to add one thing. That is the appropriate amount of power cord. Take note, all other LED manufacturers, you'll make every grower a happy person if you just give us a couple meters of cord. So I'm going to test this fixture in both the open and the closed arrangement for my 1.2 square meter area. So the watt draw is 290. So I'm going to extend the arms and tape it up, and then we can look at the temperature. So 46 degrees Celsius on the outer arm, and that's 114.6 degrees Fahrenheit. 44.5 degrees Celsius and 112.1 degrees Fahrenheit. So on the internal body, which is the heat sink of the body, 47.1 degrees Celsius, 116.7 degrees Fahrenheit. And we'll do the driver, 41.5 degrees Celsius, 106.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Yep. Not bad. All right, now let's have a look at the efficacy. So for the Octopus Open, here is the PAR map, and that gives us an average of 514. Now we times that by 1.2, we get 616.8, and then divide that by our watt draw, which is 290, and we get 2.12. Great, so we've got a really good efficacy open. Now we'll do a closed. Here is the closed PAR map, and if we average that PAR map out, it equals 536. We times that by the area 1.2 and divide that by 290, and we get an efficacy of 2.21. Now they're both really good efficacies, and the fact that you can adapt this light to your grow area as you're growing means that you can really pull some nice energy efficiency out of this light. You can concentrate that light down into a specific grow area, or if you're vegging over a larger area, you can pull the light out and really eke out the last bits of energy from your grow area. Not only that, but if you look at the PAR maps, you notice that the PAR is so evenly distributed across the board. The average for the open PAR map and the average for the closed PAR map, they vary wildly on the closed one, but on the open one, you get a really nice even distribution. You do get some really high numbers in both of them, and I could recommend this to veg or flower, pretty much any species of plant. I can't overstate that I really like the design of this light, and it's fantastic build quality, and I'm really excited to put it over some plants. All right, Happy hydroponicking, and I'll see you next time on Hoochos.